Alright, we're coming up to Botnick Chevrolet in Bridgewater. We have a fire truck on the scene. We have, I believe it is the Rescue One from Binghamton. And we have Chief from Binghamton on the scene up here. Looks like it'll be the parking lot of Botnick Chevrolet area. We just had a police car fly by. Earlier an ambulance came and left. We don't know what that was all over. But we have Binghamton Fire here on the scene. Union Volunteer Ambulance, Broome Volunteer Ambulance. Just went by. It is the Binghamton Volunteer Ambulance Company. And now you're looking at Deputy Chief truck right here. And it's not the rescue truck, so I don't know where the rescue truck went, but this is Binghamton Engine One. Right here, Binghamton Engine One. We're not sure if it's Botnick Chevrolet. Engine One, and the Chief's car's right there. We're not sure of the call. I did not hear the call when it came in. All I heard was the tones come out. Then it was drowned out by the sheriff's department. So I apologize for not getting our call out. But the driver is in the truck. That probably means there's no water being hooked up. We don't see any other fire trucks. Looks like the people are starting to go back in. Real quick now, this is our beautiful river. That is our Binghamton skyline over there. All the way from there, all the way up there. And it runs from the Clinton Street Bridge and the Court Street Bridge. It's a beautiful day today. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel here. Binghamton Engine One. We're right in front of the old Moose Club, in fact. Here comes some firemen right here. This is Workforce New York. So maybe it's not Botnick, maybe it's the Workforce New York building. But this is the Workforce New York, Bridgewater, Workforce New York, and Botnick Chevrolet. We're not sure if they went in the back of the building. The back of the building's up the driveway there. Where the fireman is going right now. It is in the back of the building. That's the whole scene. Obviously it is inside the building of Workforce here on Front Street. And as we're here, my camera started to act up a little bit. We see the fire trucks here and we see the people returning. So whatever was the problem, we're not sure, but the people are returning. So I'm going to say that this scene is clear now. Doesn't mean it might be clear, but at least the people can go back in. Somebody just told me that it was a possible fire alarm. I wasn't thinking of a fire alarm when we came up, but it could have been a fire alarm. So, Engine One, Binghamton on Front Street. Now, don't forget to subscribe, everyone.